Can you tell me what a unicorn is, teacher? So I can remember?
A unicorn is a magical creature that lives in a magical land.
Oh, wow.
Like other creatures.
What do they do in the magical land all day?
Well, what they do is fly around
Yes?
the sky.
They fly, huh?
Yeah, they fly.
And why do they have a horn? What do they do?
They let's play fireman penguin to the rescue.
But I want to know what the unicorn eats. What do you feed a unicorn?
Fish.
Fish. Magical fish.
Yes, magical fish.
Mermaids?
They don't eat mermaids.
But mermaids are magical too. You want me to open that for you? You got it? Wow. You know how to blow the bubbles? You go around and round like that. Like this. Nina. Nina.
Hold this, hold this.
Okay. Go around. Yes! Wow! Look how big!
I caught a big one. Look what I caught.
Oh, you did indeed. Oh, wow.
Look
Let me
what
take
I
a video of these. Wow. Neat. Oh.
Caught one. Pop.
Pop, pop. Go around and round.
It didn't work.
There's nothing? Okay. Let's put it like that. Okay. You're gonna go around. Okay, you can just blow. Nice. You're good at catching those bubbles.
Whoa.
Wow, they're so nice bubbles.
They're so
strong. Yes.
And they keep falling.
They're tough bubbles. You think they're flimsy, but they're strong. Yeah.
I caught it!
Good job, my love.
I'll blow you some bubbles.
Thank you. Might have to lean it like that.
I'll lean it.
Not too much because we don't want it to spill. There you go. Did you do it? No?
Didn't do it.
Let's try again. Okay. You wanna go around? You blow it.